Hey, welcome back. This is Steve AZ711 here. This is a short video, sort of a follow-up on my Honda headlight restore. I did the driver's side headlight a little over 6 months ago, and I never did do the passenger side. I'm waiting to see how bad it gets. I still have half the kit left, and I'll put a link at the bottom of the video, bottom of the description, as to where I got the kit. This is a quick look at what it looks like. Anyway, I haven't cleaned these headlights in a while. So what you're really looking at is dirty headlights. I'm going to go and I'm going to take some I'm going to take some glass cleaner, just a generic glass cleaner. And I'm going to clean both headlights, and we'll see if they look any better than they do now. Okay, they're cleaned. I noticed when I was cleaning the passenger side it felt rough, and the driver's side felt smooth. Let me get a close-up view of some of these. There's the passenger side. And there's the driver's side. And the driver's side. Anyway, a little over 6 months in, driver's side still looks good, and passenger side still looks about the same. So far, this headlight restoration kit is holding up, unlike some of the other stuff that I tried that only lasted about a month or so. This one's doing really well, and I will try and keep updating this video and keep an eye on these headlights to see how long this is going to last, this treatment. So that's about it for now. Don't look at that van. This is Steve AZ711, and bye for now. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching. What's going on over here? What are you guys doing?